Kiama-inĩ kia DAP kiria gitongoragio ni Eugene Wamalwa maundu ni maingĩ matari maringithie. Ugitinda wagagu Jumaa wabici-inĩ cia kiama giki ugitiri ugithingatwo ni maabitha a borithi na haraya na wabici ici batoni ya mbeũ njithi mataramenyeka matanya mao makeyumba. Ndũgamano ya utongoria ikeyumiria gatagati ka mutongoria wa kiama giki Eugene Wamalwa na munini wake George Natembeya.
A petition was also received requesting for the removal of the party leader and some members of the National Executive Council. A petition was also received petitioning for the removal of the third deputy party leader.
Kuringana na ndumiriri ya Eugene Wamalwa rurenda-ini rwa Twitter augite George Natembeya na Peter Sarasia to muhaka mume kiama-ini kia DAP kana muthugunde njama ya kundu ta utongori-ini wa kiama niguo gwetha tigiti wa kuhuranira giturwa gia president ithurano-ini cia mwaka wa 2027. Riri nake Natembeya ageire kiene miario ya kwenda kuhagura Wamalwa.
We are rebranding the party. We want to just rebrand the party. I don't know kwa nini wengine wanainterpret kumaanisha kwamba wanataka kuondolewa kwa chama. Ama wanaona hao ndio imekuwa ni kizingiti kwa chama kukua.
If there is evidence that he has registered that and maybe promoted the ideas of a party other than the party that elected him, the consequences,
if they give me the opportunity to be the party leader, nitaichukua. Ni kama tu vile wa Kenya watanipatia nafasi 20% kuwa president wa Kenya, sitakata.
Kiama kiu kiugite niguo kunina ndugamano ino kamiti ya mwanya ni guthondekwo niguo gwetha kihonia gia thigithigi iria ithiete na mbere kugayania atongoria kiama-ini giki na eri aya Natembeya na Wamalwa ni monekete kwihoka kamiti ino.
Come to Chui House.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Karega wa Buthia.